हेलो फ्रेंड्स, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस सेशन मैं चाहूँगा दैट यू शुड केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व दिस डेटा शीट एंड ट्राई टू आंसर सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. कैन यू कैलकुलेट द एवरेज ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल और कैन यू कैलकुलेट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन जनरल SC and ST? No, I am not asking whether you can subtract the number of general from number of SC or number of ST. I am asking whether you can subtract the general from SC or general from ST. Or can you tell me how many times the satisfaction level of a highly satisfied person is of satisfaction level of a dissatisfied person? और 2019 2016 से कितने टाइम्स बड़ा है? Sounds strange? Okay, can you answer all these questions with reference to CGPA score of the person? I mean, can you calculate the average of CGPA score of the entire class? Or can you tell me how many times CGPA score of Sukhwant is of Dukhwant? If you are responding differently to different questions, then you are at the right place. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about various measurement scales that we use to measure data characteristics. Whenever we collect the data, we collect it for the purpose of analyzing some characteristics of that data. Or in other words, हम पॉपुलेशन के किसी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक के बारे में कुछ इन्फ्रेंस निकालना चाहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट्स द एवरेज वेट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया, और व्हाट्स द GDP ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ इंडिया फॉर लास्ट 10 years, और व्हाट्स द जेंडर रेशो इन अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन, एंड सो ऑन. These weight, height, gender, GDP, etc. are known as data characteristics. As responses to these data characteristics can vary. For example, a person may be classified as male or female or transgender, और किसी का weight 60 kg और 62 kg और 63 kg हो सकता है. That's why these data characteristics are also known as variable. As responses may vary, that's why the term is variable. These all data characteristics are measured on some kind of scale. Scale refers to the instrument or standard that is used to measure data characteristics or variable. For example, weight is measured in kg, height is measured in centimeter or meter, temperature is measured on Celsius scale, and so on. These all measurement scales can be classified under 4 categories, and these are nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, and ratio scale. And on the basis of scale used to measure the variable, variable also can be classified as nominal variable, ordinal variable, interval variable, or ratio variable. We will study these measurement scales one by one. First scale is nominal scale. Nominal scale is used to measure those data characteristics or variable जिनके responses आप सिर्फ classify कर सकते हैं, जिन्हें आप किसी पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में अरेंज नहीं कर सकते, ना ही उन पर किसी तरह का मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन लाइक एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीज़न जैसी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. और इन अदर वर्ड्स, रिस्पॉन्सेज कैन बी नेम्ड ओनली. एज रिस्पॉन्सेज कैन बी नेम्ड ओनली, दैट्स वाई द नेम इज नॉमिनल स्केल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जेंडर. जेंडर कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज मेल, फीमेल और ट्रांसजेंडर as per Indian system. We cannot arrange them in a particular order. We cannot say that male is superior to female or female is superior to transgender. Even if I assign them codes of 1, 2 and 3, 1 for male, 2 for female and 3 for transgender, in that case also these are just codes. We cannot perform any kind of mathematical operations on these numerical figures, or these numbers have no numerical value. Other example may be caste system in India. For example, general, SC, ST or OBC. It's not like that general is superior to SC, ST or OBC, or OBC is inferior to anyone else. And religion as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christianity, and so on. Next is ordinal scale. Ordinal scale is used to measure those data characteristics और variable जिनके responses आप categories में classify कर सकते हैं, as well as उन categories को आप एक particular order में ascending या descending में arrange कर सकते हैं. For example, satisfaction level. A person may be highly satisfied, satisfied or dissatisfied. We can arrange them in a particular order. Highly satisfied person is having satisfaction level which is higher amongst these three, while dissatisfied person is having satisfaction level which is least amongst these three. But still, we cannot calculate the difference between the responses. For example, we can see that highly satisfied person is having satisfaction level which is higher than the satisfied person. But by how much? That we cannot calculate. Other examples of variables measured on ordinal scales are rank, for example, first, second, third, similarly agreement level to certain question and so on. As responses of nominal and ordinal variables can be classified into categories only, that's why these variables are also known as categorical variable. You will come across this term many a times. Next scale is interval scale. Interval scale is used to measure those data characteristics or variable जिनके responses ना सिर्फ आप क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं या पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर सकते हैं, बल्कि देयर एग्जिस्ट्स एन इक्वल इंटरवल बिटवीन द कैटेगरीज. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन कैलकुलेट द डिफरेंस in the responses. As equal interval exists between the categories, that's why the term is interval scale. For example, year 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. Difference between 2016 and 17 is equal to the difference between 2018 and 19, which is of 1. But as absolute zero level doesn't exist, so we cannot perform the division. In other words, division is not a meaningful quantity. For example, in case of year 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, these all are 2016 AD, 2017 AD, 2018 AD. There are a number of years that are BC. For example, 326 BC, 323 BC. हिंदी में कहें तो ईसवी एंड ईसा पूर्व. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल दैट इज ऑफ टेम्परेचर मेजर्ड ऑन सेल्सियस स्केल. Responses may be -1 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, 2 degree Celsius. We can arrange them in a particular order. We know that 2 degree Celsius temperature is higher than 0 degree Celsius and 0 degree Celsius is higher than -1 degree Celsius. We can also calculate the difference, that is difference between 2 degree Celsius and 0 degree Celsius is of 2, but an absolute zero level doesn't exist. Here the temperature 0 degree Celsius doesn't mean that product doesn't have any kind of temperature. It just means that product is having a temperature of 0 degree Celsius, which is the temperature at which water converts into the ice. As absolute zero level doesn't exist, so division is not meaningful. For example, can we divide 2 degree Celsius by 0 degree Celsius and say that 2 degree Celsius is infinite times of 0 degree Celsius? Of course not. Last one is ratio scale. Ratio scale is used to measure those data characteristics or variables जिनके responses ना सिर्फ किसी order में arrange कर सकते हैं, बल्कि उन पर various kinds of mathematical operations like addition, subtraction और division भी हम perform कर सकते हैं. For example, weight, GDP, sensex, height, etc. As we cannot perform all kind of mathematical operations on every variable, so knowledge of measurement scale is first and foremost requirement for any data analysis. For example, when we load the data in SPSS, we have to mention what measurement scale has been used to measure the variable, whether it is nominal, ordinal or scale. So this was all about measurement scales. If you like this lecture, you can share it with your friends and you can also subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye.